Bubba makes some damn good gloves for this kind of crap. We getting ready to do it up. All right, so we got about a half a sack of oysters right here. See how they look. You see this shell? It's solid. There's no separation in between. That's a live oyster. When you see them open, well, that's not. Starting to open up on the front like that. You see that little crack? He's starting to die. So this probably is not a good oyster. So that's how you tell the difference. They have to have a firm thing, and they're going to have some liquid in them. Then you have a smell test. You're going to be able to know if they smell like fishy, they're not any good. If they just smell like salt water, they're good. So this one, I'm pretty sure he's dead. We're going to throw him away, but I'm going to pop him just to see. That makes sense?
Yeah.
I'm going to pop him and put him right here. So you get in, you want to get in like there. See where I got it? I leverage. I mean, it's a twisting action, all right? And then I stick the knife in, and it's stuck to the top. And there you go. If it's muddy, I give him a little, get that mud out. That's one. Let's see, anything good? Not good. That's good. And we shuck all our oysters fresh over here, so it's something that nobody really does. And then we throw them on that wood grill. It's a nice little oyster. Wow, that's a nice big oyster. Check these out. These are a little bit prettier. Not as muddy. Oh, nice pop. Take your blade and you slice it on the top because they're connected. And you got a beautiful oyster. So what we have right here now is our Italian blend. We're going to do something what we call Vito. We have our homemade buffalo wing sauce and some pepper jack cheese. We're going to use those for what we call our buffalo jack. And we got some of our house-made pico, a lime, and some more pepper jack cheese. We're going to do some oysters called margarita. Here we go. Let's start with the Vitos. A little butter, a little butter, a little butter, a little butter. Little cheese. Alright, so buffalo jack. A little bit of buffalo wing sauce. And this is our house-made buffalo sauce that we use for our psycho pigs. Pepper jack. A little bit of pico. Hit these with the lime, and hit the rest with the lemon. that's a fire. Let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, we're getting there. When you start seeing it bubble, like right here it's starting to bubble, that's when they're getting ready to, they're done. So we're gonna close this down for about 3 more minutes and it'll be about, I don't know, 6 or 7 all told. Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
There you have it.